you got?
Just 3.
3? $15?
I don't know if this one, can you do 10? Is that cool? Morning. It's all right to putz around.
Still bringing stuff out, but everything is make an offer. And if there is a price tag on something, ignore it.
Sounds good. That works. It's all gotta go type of thing, huh?
It's all gotta go.
Oops. Whoopsie daisy. Jesus. Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You had one more over here, didn't you?
All right, I just came up with the
Alrighty.
glove checker set.
5.
5. Yeah, that sounds good.
Doing a bag or anything? Okay.
I can carry this. Sweet. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good luck with the sale. You too. Morning.
How are you today?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
What you got on the stock at?
About
And-
$5 for the stack.
Sounds good to me. I'm gonna set
Good to me
these.
too. I don't own any of them vehicles anymore.
Yeah?
I just saved the ones I own.
There you go. I'm gonna set those there.
Yeah, no problem.
I can't remember. Is this the sale that y'all mentioned maybe PS2 games?
Yeah, he's gone.
Someone already came by?
Yeah.
All right.
First thing this morning, out the door.
Gone.
Yep, gone and nothing's left.
And then 10 minutes later, another one came in and I says, "You're 10 minutes too late." There was 3 people that lasted since then. And I go, "First
Gone,
thing
gone, gone.
Yeah, I thought maybe PlayStation 2 might bring a few people out.
Yeah. Yeah. Was there a lot of games with it, or?
I have about 50 games.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
What'd you let it go for?
50.
50? Huh. Good stuff. Yeah, I drove by earlier and y'all weren't set up yet. I was in the area and I was like,
"Oh, I'm so sorry."
No, you're fine. No, it's not your fault. You say a time and
Car started came in about 9:30 and just sitting in the driveway
Sitting in,
waiting. Yeah.
yeah.
Unfortunately, we had to do laundry this morning. So.
Other things came up too.
Right?
Yeah.
You got your own priorities.
Gotta eat breakfast.
You got it. Yeah, that's right. Certainly. All right. It just ends right here, right? Nothing back.
No,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
it's all my,
All right.
that's all my toys
We're
back
gonna
there.
have
I
another
play
one in
with.
about 6 months maybe.
Okay. All right. There's the 5.
No problem. Thank you.
And I think I'll be out of your way now.
Enjoy the books.
All right. Thank you. You have a good one.
Yeah, there's more in the boxes down below it though.
Hi there.
Different styles.
Oh,
In the box, that box on the other side's got some other styles.
oh my God.
And then there's yeah. Oh yeah, whatever you want. They're just plastic. Yeah, I like them.
Yeah, the thing is, I'm right down the water, that yellow house. Yeah. I was getting my new fence this season.
Gotcha.
How many adult ones did you want? Oh, the car, yeah. Christmas thing.
Before my kids try to rip them out. Our grandkids try to rip them out of the truck.
Yeah. Is that llama glasses? Yeah. Oh, okay.
I haven't seen
Into like skis and
more money.
bike parks and.
Fishermen are cheap. Skiers are better material.
Garden. What? Garden Rose. Oh, there you go. Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Well, just what we're doing is we're just pick up like the bigger ones.
Are you gonna make a gnome out of that?
I think so. Okay. But I do want to first.
Yeah.
How many you got?
No, I can't.
How
I'm
about
thinking about fishing.
I'm blind in one eye and can't see out the other. It's like, I think the lines have, you know. I didn't want it, I just wanted to get it on.
They don't like
Their
that.
eyeballs kind of glowing. That's a right thing.
What do you have on these reels here?
Let's see.
Here, Bubba. Here.
How many you got?
Just 3.
Three? $15?
I don't know if this one. Can you do 10? Is that cool? I don't know if this one's. Which one was it? This guy is having issues back and forth. I'm gonna have to tinker with these.
Okay, I'll do 10.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
This guy's a little.
Okay.
Or. Yeah, I think actually I can give you 12. I think I have a couple books here. There you go. Use smaller bills. There you go. Oops. One's trying to fly already. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I appreciate you too.